Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take creatine quantity. We'll cover the simple steps to effectively incorporate creatine into your routine. First, we'll look at the loading phase, which helps saturate your muscles quickly. Then, we'll discuss the maintenance phase, ensuring you continue to reap the benefits. This guide will help you maximize your creatine supplementation for better performance and recovery. The loading phase is designed to rapidly increase your muscle creatine stores. For 5 to 7 days, aim for 20 to 25 grams of creatine per day. It's best to split this into 4 or 5 equal servings of 5 grams each, spread throughout the day. Mixing it with water or a juice can help with absorption. This initial period helps your body quickly reach optimal creatine levels, preparing you for the maintenance phase. After the loading phase, you'll transition to the maintenance phase. A daily dose of 3 to 5 grams is sufficient to keep your muscle creatine levels elevated. You can take this dose at any time that fits your schedule, whether it's before or after your workout, or even with a meal. The most important aspect here is consistency to ensure you continue to experience the performance and recovery advantages. To maximize your creatine benefits, always prioritize hydration. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day is crucial for kidney health and creatine effectiveness. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have existing health conditions. Also, for easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals. Consistency and proper use will help you achieve your fitness goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.